Looking to pick between AutoDS and Zendrop, these are two of the biggest tools in the game. But which one actually helps you make money without headaches? So let's break it down. Both tools promise automation, product sourcing, and faster fulfillment, but they go about it differently. AutoDS connects with multiple suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and CJ Dropshipping, and even lets you add custom suppliers. It's got a massive product catalog. Zendrop, on the other hand, focuses on curated products and faster US shipping. It's great if you're targeting US customers and want better packaging and branding. AutoDS is built for hardcore automation, product importing, price monitoring, auto ordering, tracking updates, you name it. It's like the Swiss Army knife for dropshipping. ZenDrop is simpler and cleaner. It covers the essentials: product import, order fulfillment, and branded invoicing. But it's a little more beginner friendly. AutoDS has multiple plans starting around $20 a month but charges extra for add-ons like auto ordering. It can get pricey fast. Zendrop has a free plan with limited features, and paid plans start around $49 a month, but those include US shipping and branding options. So, who it's for? If you're just starting out and want a clean, supportive experience, Zendrop is your tool. But if you're scaling up, want more supplier flexibility, and deeper automation, AutoDS is a beast. So, AutoDS versus Zendrop, it really comes down to your stage. If for beginners, it's Zendrop, but for scaling pros, it's AutoDS. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!